Hi friends, you're watching Cricket with Raghuram. In this video, I'll be reviewing the 47th match of IPL 2021 played between Chennai Super Kings, who have already qualified to the playoffs, and Rajasthan Royals, who are looking to qualify, who are in contention, in competition. And this is what I should tell, one of the fantastic matches I have ever seen in this season of IPL. Fantastic match. 189 runs is what Chennai Super Kings got. And guess what? They landed up on losing side. Can you imagine that? Rajasthan Royals, superb. 7 wickets win with 15 balls sparing. What better win could they have expected, Rajasthan Royals? Probably even they did not expect to get such a big win. Fantastic start by Yashasvi Jaiswal, I should tell. Fantastic. I'll come back to the Chennai innings. But in the chase, Yashasvi Jaiswal, what a season he is having. Youngster, right on the top batting, right at the top. He and Lewis give a very good start. What a start it was for Rajasthan Royals. 70 runs coming in just 5 overs, and Rajasthan Royals never looked back. That laid the platform for them to win the match and grab the match out of a very strong side like Chennai Super Kings. When I was looking at Chennai Super Kings, the way they were winning, the way they qualified to the playoffs, I was just thinking, who could disturb these people? How can these people lose? How can you take their wickets? How can you stop them from such good batting? They were looking really composed team. Even in this match, 189 to put on board, it was really magnificent effort by Chennai Super Kings. After that slow start, after they have got hardly 60-65 plus runs, if I am not wrong, in the first 10 overs, and to pull out that 189 out of the blues was really fantastic. Courtesy, one man again, Ruturaj Gaikwad. I am just speaking about the characters and not the match. Ruturaj Gaikwad, hats off to this boy. More than 500 runs in this particular season of IPL and getting that orange cap. What a performance, Ruturaj Gaikwad. As the commentator Harsh Bogli said, he is ready for the next level of cricket. Definitely, if anybody is ready for the next level of cricket, to come to the international format, to play for India in that blue jersey, it is Ruturaj Gaikwad. It is Ruturaj Gaikwad. What a batting. I think he's the next best thing to happen to India, Team India. When he's in form, I always tell, when players are in form, be it Ruturaj Gaikwad or whoever it may be, when they're in terrific form, just take them into the team, nurture them, and immediately introduce them. We may think that it might be too early to introduce these guys into the international scenario. They will be carried over. No, they're looking at the best of form. They're looking at the best and the peak of their form. They're ready to go and express there. What is happening in IPL? These boys are facing the same international bowlers, isn't it? They are in top form, be it a bowler, batsman, whoever it is there. Just give them opportunity when they are in form and don't wait for their time to come on. Don't fix Muhurat to take them. Let him play for 2 years or 3 years, and if he's consistent, let him come into the team. No, if he's in form, take him. What did Sky do? Surya Kumar Yadav. You gave him opportunity in international cricket, he started playing really good. That confidence they will carry from the domestic cricket or these small scale crickets like IPL. IPL is a big fish. It is a big tournament, no doubt about that. Confidence carried from IPL to the international cricket will be ultimate. Again, Yashasvi Jaiswal or Ruturaj Gaikwad, really promising youngsters. They should be given chance when they are in the top of their form, be it Avesh Khan or whoever it is there. Terrific innings by Ruturaj Gaikwad. 189 by Chennai was possible only because of one person, that is Ruturaj Gaikwad. And another person, Ravindra Jadeja. What a finisher he is. What a finisher he is turning out for India. There were two finishers for CSK at the end. Ruturaj Gaikwad and Ravindra Jadeja, who are playing at their top of form. In the last over, Ruturaj Gaikwad just needed 5 runs for his century. And Ravindra Jadeja was looking at top form. He was just gathering runs. Commentary box were confused. Everybody were confused. What is this guy? What is this guy doing, Ravindra Jadeja? That fellow wants at the non-striker, and Ruturaj Gaikwad needs 5 runs for a century. And this person is hitting 4s and 6s at will. And it has been 2 overs since Ruturaj Gaikwad got the strike. And he's not getting, probably would he get those 5 runs and make it century. Century is a big thing in T20 cricket and in IPL format also. And even I was thinking in that particular way, but see the other perspective. It was selfless innings by Ravindra Jadeja. He was playing for the team. Probably Ravindra Jadeja and Ruturaj Gaikwad both have spoken there at the center. They would have decided, century will come, boss. Now it is time to put on big runs on the board and bat the opposition out of the game. That was the strategy of Ravindra Jadeja. Luckily, Ruturaj Gaikwad got the last 2 balls to try and score 5 runs and get his century. The penultimate ball was wasted, and the last ball he lofted for the 6. That shows not only the thirst and hunger to get runs, but also to get to that landmark, and also the importance of the landmark, and very importantly, what runs matter for the team. He would not have been really sad, or he would have felt bad for a moment, sad for a moment. Everybody would have felt, even the CSK dugout, if he would have missed on that most deserving century. But he thought, I got 2 balls, I'll hit a 6 and finish my century. And what conversion was that? He hit the ball and finished his century with a 6. Ruturaj Gaikwad, he has announced himself in the scenario of cricket. He is ready to make it to the international front, and the doors should open for him. And what shots were Ravindra Jadeja playing out of the books? He was just kneeling on one knee, one leg, sleeping position, sitting position, every position he is just hitting the ball. Whoever the bowler may be, it is just going out of the boundary. It is touching the boundary. 4-6 at will. What a finisher he is turning out to be. And what is his role in the World Cup, it will be very important to see. He will be a key component of the team. 101 from 60 balls was what Ruturaj Gaikwad got. And Ravindra Jadeja, 32 from 15 balls. Just guess, 32 from 15 balls. Magnificent innings. We should not forget the contributions of Moeen Ali and Faf du Plessis right at the top. They also chipped in with useful runs for Chennai Super Kings. Yes, so again coming back to the chase, RR chase, I should mention two people. Yashasvi Jaiswal, terrific batting, though Lewis gave a very good partnership with Yashasvi Jaiswal. Yashasvi Jaiswal looked like a dominant partner. He was hitting 6s and 4s at rampage. If Yashasvi Jaiswal was there till 10th over, I doubt they would have almost got 130 or 140 runs. And the start, what Lewis and Yashasvi Jaiswal gave, RR never looked back from there. 50 from 21 balls is what Yashasvi Jaiswal got. Hats off to that brilliant innings. It was total entertainment and ruthless hitting at its best. Sanju Samson also contributed good runs, 28 runs to the board. He is looking in good form this season. And before ending my video, I have to mention one man, Shivam Dube. Where did he come from? Suddenly he came into the party. So already the platform was set for Rajasthan Royals to win the match. We know CSK is a very strong team led by MS Dhoni. MS Dhoni can bring in any tactic to win the match and take the match. Any time he could have taken away the match from RR's hand, in spite of RR having got such a good start. But it needed Shivam Dube to consistently put pressure on the CSK bowlers. Bad day at office, I should tell, whether it is CSK bowlers or RR bowlers. It was bad day at office for the bowlers, with the exception of one or two bowlers. But it needed Shivam Dube's innings. Brilliant, awesome, magnificent, terrific innings, Shivam Dube. 64 runs in 42 balls, and he took RR home with a win, with a comfortable win, with 15 balls to spare. That was the confidence Shivam Dube showed. And where was Shivam Dube all these days? He comes once in a blue moon and plays such innings. The problem is consistency. He has not been consistency throughout. He played for different franchises including RCB. But the consistency factor was missing. I wish he continues this, because he has power hitting in his hands. Just like Yashasvi Jaiswal, just like Ruturaj Gaikwad. Shivam Dube too has that energy, that grit, that power, that skill. But consistency. If he can maintain consistency, yes, he can go a long way ahead and make it to Team India. So that was about this match. A very rare defeat for Chennai Super Kings, but it is good that it happened before the playoffs. They will get alerted. In spite of that selfless innings by Ravindra Jadeja, trying to put more runs than allowing his partner to get on to a century, Ruturaj Gaikwad. And Ruturaj Gaikwad's non-selfishness at the other end, he was just happy rotating the strike and allowing Jadeja to hit the ball at the merit. So even probably he was looking at maximum number of runs on the board rather than his century. Century came into his way. It is really good. He made it possible for himself. It is really good landmark for Ruturaj Gaikwad. And yes, in spite of that, the opposition, Rajasthan Royals, won very comfortably. So this should be a small trigger point for CSK to work out their strategies. I don't tell their bowling is bad. It was a bad day for the bowlers on both sides, as I already said. Yeah, they need to forget this and move ahead. Anyhow, they are qualified to the playoffs and sitting right at the top of the table. And MS Dhoni is there, and the team is looking in really good form. Nothing wrong will happen. It's an odd day and a bad day at office for CSK boys. They will definitely work out the strategies. Did I mention that Ruturaj Gaikwad walked away with the man of the match honors? Yes, he did. He really deserved it. Century. What a century. What batting. Terrific. Awesome. He really deserved. In spite of being on the losing side, he went away with the man of the match honors. Even at the presentation, he said century mattered. It was really good, fascinating to be in that form and getting those runs for his franchisee CSK. But he would have been more happy if he would have ended on the winning side. So congratulations to Ruturaj Gaikwad. Please keep entertaining us the way you do. And yes, Yashasvi Jaiswal and Dube, you people also played really well. Keep playing the way you people are playing, and definitely you are going to go to great heights. Thanks for watching my video. If you loved my video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch up with you all in my next video with the match review of the next match of IPL 2021. Until then, do take care. Goodbye. Namaste.